Morning, Peter here. Just about to go out to Doxie. Yeah, I've just been away to New Zealand, farewelling my mother, and back in Australia, and it just doesn't stop raining. So here I am down in Gosford, about to go out to Doxie, just check everything's okay before the next deluge arrives. It's just non-stop. It's a reflection of last year. If you've seen my videos going up to Queensland last year, I just got inundated by rain at the start of the trip. Looks like a repeat to me. Alright, and the tide fortunately is high, so I'll endeavour to get out there and back before it turns into a mud bank. Okay, first things first, got to keep the skipper happy. Yeah, everything's dry inside, which is great. Oh, pictures are falling off the wall. I guess master, what is it that? Command strips. I don't like moisture too much. Not that there's much of it. So yeah, just scooping up some good old fresh air at the moment while it's still rain free. Yeah, everything's the bilge had virtually nothing in it. Just let that run for a bit. Just did a firmware update on my Victron. So just waiting for the sun to get through that fog. Oh, it's starting to win. Yeah, it's backing off. So woohoo! First time I've seen sun since I've been back from New Zealand. Where incidentally, if you see one of my other videos of a few days ago, yeah, we had absolutely stunning weather there. Absolutely crystal clear. Anyway, can't wait to feel some sun on me. In fact, such is the dryness on the boat that my chamois, I'm having to work on it to turn it back from being a brick. So it's obviously not been too damping here. Oh well, I can pretend I'm cruising at least anyway. Oh, it's trying so hard. It's hit every now and then. So yeah, that's not too bad. Well, it is temperamental with this coastal cloud. I don't know if it's a combination of cloud or fog, but I'm going to put up the heady anyway. I better roll it out a bit further, just to get a bit of drying happening. I might stick up the main next. There's no wind at the moment, but there's a few ripples telling me there's a bit of an easterly coming up, so let's see how we go. Right, got both sails up now. Well, you can see here already, there's a bit of dirt there too from birds that I thought they were going to start a nest and probably got washed away. But yeah, there was a lot of water in that sail basically when I pulled. Yeah, as much as this covers it, you can see little pools down the end there. As it dripping off the sail, I just keep tipping it out. Sun's just gone behind a cloud, but it's starting to do its job. Even the strip on the head sail is starting to dry out now, so yeah, worth doing, definitely. Yeah, the other thing I've got to stay on top of too is inside the hard dodger, because if you're getting weather like this, we start to get a bit of mildew happening. So just going to get some disinfectant wipes and just go over that just to keep it at bay. Alright, well, this is exciting stuff, isn't it? Yeah, hey, he's actually wiping stuff. He does housework, oh my god. Oh dear, will this rain ever stop? Oh yes it will. It is now Saturday and it looks kind of full. It's a high tide. It's going to be obviously very close to full moon because we're expecting a blue moon. Being May, and I think it's like the 30th today, or maybe it is the 30th today. Anyway, we're going out. Get some air in here because it's cool this morning. So obviously the pressure is down. Okay, so now we'll row out, and it's nice and smooth and no wind to speak of. Right, so I decided to launch at the Gosford Sailing Club, which is where I'm going to come back to with the boat anyway. Simply because it's going to be a very low tide this afternoon, and I do not relish walking through the mud to my normal launching place for the dinghy, or the tender should I say. So anyway, we're through there somewhere, and here she is. I have found her. Okay, bringing Doxie into the jetty now, giving a bit of some herbs there, get that engine dried out a bit after all the moisture. All right. Alongside, waiting for my passengers. You should be arriving sometime in the next half hour or so, but I can nicely relax. All right, everybody's here and on board. We are going to go out and have a great day on the water, or on the mud, as it were. Yeah, all that rain, the water is just full of rubbish, but the sky is bluing up, if that's a word. Well, at last, blue skies. Say hello, Trevor.
Hello, Trevor.
Yep, there we go. Hello, Cap.
Hi, Cap.
There you go. Hard work, but we'll get through the day. This feels very good. Go for a walk. Oh, that sun. We have not seen it in so long. It's just... yeah. I think I should have packed more and start heading north, because this is a perfect wind for it. It's coming out of the southwest, so that would be a perfect go north wind. Oh well, next year. Oh, look at that beautiful brown water. Yep, you're going to get that after the rain, logs and all, but it doesn't take away from this beautiful day. Well, another awesome day on Doxie. So it might just have been local, but hey, after that rain, it's just so good to get out. So awesome day, love it. Now for the road back to God knows where back there somewhere.